What's up, eggheads? I'm Kenan with Newegg Now, bringing you the best products for the best prices. In this segment, we are taking a gander at the Werleo k-101 retro typewriter mechanical keyboard. It's an awesome, vintage-inspired steampunk gaming keyboard. We've had lots of people enjoy it, lots of people ask about it, so we thought it needed a video. All right, so let's check it out. I think this is very cool. It's got 104 keycaps in vintage style and splendor. We see the retro round keycap design, a high quality front panel, quite an innovative structure actually. This should aesthetically please anyone who has an affinity for retro or steampunk. All keys are ABS plastic, that's acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, a super strong thermoplastic polymer that's going to bring stability to your gaming and typing. And that's going to be long term, as this keyboard has passed the 50 million keystroke test. I did the math. That means you could type with this thing at 100 words per minute, 24/7 for 347 days before you break it. That's what I call durable. So I think we've reached the most important part. Let's have a listen at what it sounds like to type on this keyboard. Nice and refreshing. That sounded pretty good, right? We get that soothing, audible, clicky sound. Right, it doesn't only sound great, but the keys and the keyboard itself are both pretty ergonomically designed as well. It might be hard to tell from there, but there's a slight concave structure to the keys. Your fingers will rest very easily onto the caps. This will really help you achieve precise positioning, prevent fatigue, prevent wrong typing, and therefore increase your chances of winning the game. You also got the angle adjusters on the back. Let me flip those up, all right? Angle adjusters on the back to give you more options in how you type as well. You've got a multifunction backlight. I'm gonna plug this into the computer to show you that as well. Okay, check that out. Multifunction backlight. Simply press function plus insert. I'm gonna do this upside down for you here. My function key is here, and insert. All right, function plus insert. You can toggle between the various well-known color modes like wave, rainbow, single colors, and the like. All right, just customize it to your heart's content. You can enjoy wide compatibility, as it's going to be plug and play with you for no drivers required. It'll work on Windows or Mac just fine. And pro tip, if you press function plus the Windows key, the Windows button will lock. Do it again and you can unlock it. This is going to be very good if you're playing a game because you don't want to accidentally minimize the game in the heart of battle, right? And that's pretty much it, folks. The Werleo k-101 retro typewriter mechanical keyboard, boasting 104 keys in retro steampunk style. You've got ABS plastic. It passes the 50 million key benchmark. The keys are ergonomically designed. The keyboard's adjustable. You got lights. You don't need drivers. And it sounds so nice and clicky. For current pricing, please check the description or click the link below. Let us know how you like it in the reviews. I'm Kenan. This has been Newegg Now, and now you know. Hey there, eggheads. Kenan here. Happy to welcome you to another segment of Newegg Now. Always bringing you the best products for the best prices. Right here in front of me, I have the Ravpower Prime 16,750 milliamp hour 22 watt 2-port power bank. We're always on the go, taking calls, taking pics, sometimes shooting movies, and sometimes we run out of power. To avoid that situation, it's a great idea to have a power bank. Let's open the box and see if this one is the right one for you. All right, so this is everything you get in the box. You get a USB charging cord, a thank you card with some registration perks, you get a user manual, and of course, the power bank itself. All right, so first impressions, it is actually not too heavy. All right, that matters for a power bank. It's just under 3/4 of 1 pound. It's 5 inches long, 3.2 inches wide, and only 0.86 inches tall. All right, so that's gonna be very easy to pack in any kind of bag and travel with or whatever. It has a unique anti-scratch design casing to keep it looking new no matter how long or wherever you use it. And if I press the status indicator button here, let me press that. all right, you'll notice you get 4 handy dandy LEDs to keep you informed of remaining capacity. Now when I press it, you only see 3 because I did not fully charge it. All right, now let's have a look at the inputs. All right, if you look here, you'll notice that you get a powerful 4.5 amp combined output with these 2 USB ports. Simultaneously charge 2 tablets. All right, so you and a friend or a loved one can both charge up together. No need to fight over who gets the power bank. That can get ugly. All right, and you also see the 5-volt input here, as well as a flashlight for dark or low light environments. How you turn that on is you just press and hold. Yes, and there we go, flashlight. Great. Let's talk about what's going on under the hood, shall we? With exclusive iSmart technology design, you don't have to worry about the charging output being too high or too low. It'll automatically adjust the charging output to match your Apple, Android, or Windows devices. That's super awesome. You get super duper safety protection here. Inside is a very reliable A+ lithium-ion battery with over 500 battery cycles. You get multi-level protection as well, meaning overcurrent protection, protection against overheating, short circuits. If any of these things begin to happen, it'll automatically shut down. You get this 100% safety for your devices while still charging with up to 2.4 amps, while most phone chargers only have 1 amp, all right? So those take forever. This extra protection helps your devices last longer, and therefore the device practically pays for itself. You get huge capacity, 16,750 milliamp hours. Basically means you can charge an iPhone nearly 4 times, a Galaxy S20 nearly 3 times, or an iPad once. So that's essentially a wrap, folks. A matte black, anti-scratch, stylish power bank, all right, that'll match most devices and clothing. It packs a large 16,750 milliamp hour punch in a small 5-inch by 3.2-inch package. It'll fit nicely in any size travel bag or briefcase. Enjoy multiple levels of protection while charging multiple devices simultaneously. The Ravpower Prime 16,750 milliamp hour 2-port power bank. For current pricing, please check the description or click that link below. Thanks for letting me share this one with you. I'm Kenan with Newegg Now, and now you know. Hey there, eggheads, how are you? Kenan here with Newegg Now, where we bring you the best products for the best prices. You are here to see the Orico 2.5 to 3.5 inch hard drive adapter. Don't feel pressured to buy a new hard drive until you see this. I won't waste any more of your time. Let's open the box. Here we are, all right, you get a thank you card, a user manual, 10 Phillips head screws, and of course, the 2.5 to 3.5 inch hard drive adapter. Now, what this is gonna do is turn any 7, 9, or 12.5 millimeter 2.5 inch SATA hard drive into a 3.5 inch hard drive. And that's gonna work with both HDD or SSD drives, SATA 1, 2, or 3. Now, once you have your drive installed into this adapter, you can fit this into any other 3.5 inch drive enclosures. You'll be able to swap in and out of multi-drive bays. You'll be able to put this in a hard drive caddy and use it as a startup disk, or with a CD-ROM bracket, you could put this in an optical bay and use it as a storage disk. Basically anywhere a 3.5 inch hard drive can go, so can this. And Orico, like they always do, has given you really high quality material. This is fireproof, it's shockproof, ABS plastic, that's acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, a thermoplastic polymer with no true melting point. That's always pretty cool. This cutting edge craftsmanship is going to work perfectly for all 3.5 inch bays. It supports hot swapping, no drivers needed. It's super easy to use. It'll probably take you 3 minutes to screw the screws in, get the drive in, and get it all set up. And once you're up and running, you're gonna get that maximum transfer speed of up to 6 gigabits per second. It's of course backwards compatible with SATA 1 or 2. And with that, you no longer have a 2.5 inch drive, but a 3.5 inch drive. That is just pure awesomeness. My dear eggheads, the Orico 2.5 to 3.5 inch hard drive adapter. For current prices, please check the description or click that link below. I would love to see in the comments or the reviews how this product has helped you. Thank you all very much for letting me show this to you. I'm Kenan with Newegg Now, and now you know. Good day, eggheads. Hope you're doing well out there. I'm Kenan with Newegg Now, where we bring you the coolest products for the lowest prices. In this segment, we are taking a look at Orico's 2.5-inch transparent hard drive enclosure. I'll be super transparent and get right to it. This is the box. I will now open it. Okay, inside the box we have a thank you card, an instruction manual, USB cable, and the hard drive enclosure. So, first impressions. We've got a creative, transparent design. The housing material is standard plastic. It looks awesome, but it is also very practical. Okay, if you have a few of these, you'll easily be able to tell which drive is which, and I love that about this. It's mini, so it's portable, definitely ideal for business trips or any type of travel, really. It's gonna look beautiful on a desk, as it does right here, and it is 100% screwless, so you won't waste any time with assembly. Just like that, you can open it up. Once you've opened it up, you can plug in any standard 7mm or 9mm 2.5-inch SATA 1, 2, or 3 HDD or SSD up to a maximum of 2 terabytes. You can get it up and running within seconds, no professional help required. All right, you plug your hard drive in, close it up, just like that. Super plug and play. After you plug it in, you won't even need to reboot or install any drivers. It could not be more simple. Once you're up and running, you'll notice that your USB 3.0 port delivers a super speed data transfer rate of up to 5 gigabits per second, around 10 times the bandwidth of the current USB 2.0, letting you transfer tons of data in just seconds, and you have improved performance with UASP protocol. UASP is supported in Windows 8, Mac OS 10, 10.8 or above, and Linux. In testing, UASP performs with a 70% faster read speed and 40% faster write speed over traditional USB 3.0 at peak performance. But in order to reach the UASP level performance, please make sure your device supports UASP. And that's about it, folks. A hard drive enclosure isn't really complicated, right? It looks cool. It works with multiple types of drives, SATA 1, 2, or 3 HDD or SSD alike, thickness between 7mm or 9.5mm, check your specs, fits up to 2 terabytes, you get that fast transfer speed of up to 5 gigabits per second or faster with UASP, it's compatible with Windows 8, Mac OS 10, 10.8 or later, and Linux, so you can run it on almost any computer. Let me know how you like it. For current pricing, please check the description or click that link below. I'm Kenan with Newegg Now, and now you know.